Hello, educators and tech-savvy learners. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a deep dive into educational apps and how to effectively evaluate them. There are numerous educational apps out there. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to determine the gems from the duds. Fear not, I'm going to give you some simple ways to evaluate these tools to help revolutionize how you use them in the classroom. Step 1. Clearly identify your educational goals with these applications and how you're going to use them with your students. Be sure to define your educational goals and objectives and how these apps can help serve them. Consider what you want this tool to achieve in the classroom and how the tool will fit into your teaching style and what you need for your students. Having a clear roadmap will help you align the tool with your vision and see if it's going to be effective for you. You could even consider making a list of educational goals with the specific application you're trying to use and have those goal lists available as you begin to use the app and see if it aligns with your vision. An app or software can be packed with great features, but if it's difficult to use, that could be a major roadblock to your success with using it with students and also your instructional approach. Step 3, compatibility and accessibility. Step 4, age-appropriate content. Different age groups have different learning needs. If the technology tool supports a range of student use at different age levels, make sure that the tool also supports the developmental and learning needs of students at those range of age levels. Avoid using tools that can be too simple or too complicated for your users. Step 5, ratings and reviews. Don't just take our word for it. Check out what other educators have to say about the app you plan on using and see if any of their information can help you decide whether or not it's effective for your classroom. Platforms like app stores, educational websites, professional learning communities are all great places to get additional information around apps you intend on using in the classroom and provide some valuable feedback to help you ensure you make the right decision. Step 6. Data privacy and security. When it comes to educational apps, safeguarding student data and also teacher data is not something that you need to take lightly. Examine the app's privacy policy and be sure that they are protecting your students' privacy as well as your own when you decide to use this application. Be sure that the data that's being collected is being used responsibly and securely. Step 7. Educational value and alignment. Does the tool provide valuable learning experiences? Evaluate the tool and how it's going to meet your curriculum and learning objectives. Look for tools that enhance your students' learning experience and cater to your learning objectives in the classroom. Step 8, trial period. Don't deep dive until you get a chance to make a trial of an application before using it in the classroom. Opt for apps that have these trial versions and give you an opportunity to try the app and see if it's going to work effectively for you. Experiment with the tool alongside a group of your students and see if the experience that the app gives you at that time is going to be similar to what you'll be able to do with it when using a larger group of students. Do this before you make a full commitment to the application to help save yourself some time in the long run. Step 9, customer service and support. When you encounter hiccups on your educational journey with these EdTech apps, it's important to have a safety net to make sure that you have some support if something were to go wrong. Reliable customer support is incredibly helpful and can help you get yourself out of a jam if an issue arises. Check to see if the resource you're using has a supportive technical support team that's also aware of how you're planning on using it in the classroom. This is also incredibly helpful during a larger scale implementation of the tool along entire classrooms or grade levels. Last but not least, step 10, long-term viability for the use of this app. The EdTech world moves really quickly. Just be sure that the app you're deciding to use is built for the long run. Getting the most out of an app over a number of years really does mean that the app has sustainability and is well supported and is an important part of the EdTech ecospace and provides a need for its customers. Be sure that the apps that you're choosing to use are provided regular updates and support to help meet your needs in the long run. This will help keep the app sustainable and relative to your institution and classroom. There you have it, 10 simple steps to help you evaluate EdTech tools like a pro. Be sure that your decisions are informed, and good luck on your educational journey with these applications. And in the end, it's all about your students' experience and whether or not they're also learning with these applications as effectively as you intended. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I want to continue to provide some more insightful and relative educational content, provide innovative teaching experiences and strategies. Thank you for your time today, and keep learning and exploring.